channel. In today's hashtag Try New Things Thursday video, I'm going to be trying different flavors of Maggi. I have a lot of Maggi flavors here. If you follow my Instagram page, which is called The Hungry Young Woman, you would know that I am a Maggi lover. I love Maggi to the core of my heart. If you do not follow me there, the link is there in the description box below. Please make sure you go there and follow me on Instagram for more food updates. So I have 3 new launches here. We have the Desi Cheesy flavor. Then we have the Chatpata tomato, and we have the yummy capsicum flavor. Along with these, I'm also going to be, for the very first time, trying the masala oats noodles, the Maggi masala oats. Then we got these 3 fusion flavors. इसमें से काफी सारे लोगों ने already कुछ flavors try कर लिए होंगे. We have the tangy pepper Singaporean noodles. Then we have the spicy Hong Kong noodles. And we have the sweet chili Bangkok noodles. Along with these, Kappa Maggi कैसे बोल सकते हैं? So we also have 3 of the Kappa noodles here. I've got the chili chow flavor. ये मैंने पहले खा रखा है. I have the masala Kappa here with me. And we also have the Asian style spicy tomato flavor. So if you stay tuned and watch all of these 6 or 7 reviews, you're also going to get a bonus, which is this ready to eat poha by Maggi. हाँ यार, मैगी ने पोहा भी बनाने शुरू कर दिया. So what I do is I'll quickly go prepare these 3 noodles, the 3 new launches, and come back in a second, and then we'll try them. I've made the 3 flavors, the 3 new launches. We have this, which is the Desi Cheesy flavor. काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, पर काफी कम क्वांटिटी बनी है. Yeah, I'm disappointed with it. It smells good. The taste नहीं किया. I don't know how it is, but it at least smells good. This is Chatpata tomato. काफी टमेटो केचप टाइप की अरोमा आ रही है, तो मुझे उतनी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं हो रही इसके लिए. But the one that I'm really excited for is this, the yummy capsicum flavor. I actually really kind of like capsicum, and this smells very good. Okay, so let us start with the Desi Cheesy. I think I really like this. थोड़ा माइल्ड फ्लेवर है चीज का, बट इट्स गुड. एंड गरम गरम खाने पे काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे नहीं लगता ठंडे होने पे द फ्लेवर विल बी रिटेन, बट राइट नाउ इट्स टेस्टी गुड. लव्ड इट. मुझे लग रहा है 2 टेस्ट मेकर, 2 यमी चीजी, 2 देसी चीजी टेस्ट मेकर एक पैक में डाले, देन आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू टेस्ट गुड. राइट नाउ इट्स ओके. इट्स नॉट आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बट इट्स वर्थ द मनी. आई थिंक एक 2 बार ट्राई कर देना चाहिए. देन नाउ नो, not my thing. I don't think anybody would love it to bits. The Desi Cheesy is quite good. The Chatpata tomato is okay. It's decent. अच्छा, वो लोग नहीं होते जो मैगी बनाते हैं और फिर उसमें बहुत सारा टमेटो केचप डालते हैं, उन लोगों को ये खानी चाहिए. Now I'm going to be trying the yummy capsicum flavor. ये थोड़ा स्लाइट ओवरकुक हो गया है हमसे, इसलिए मैं इसे फटाफट खाने वाली हूँ, कोई शो ऑफ के बिना. तो 1 मिनट रुकिएगा. गरम. Okay, I think my heart just broke. This smells 10 times better than it tastes. The taste is very mild. सिर्फ हल्का सा ऐसे कैप्सिकम का फ्लेवर है. मतलब मेरे जैसे इंसान जिसे कैप्सिकम बहुत पसंद है कैन ईट इट एवरी डे, बट दिस इज नॉट अबाउट मी. इट्स अबाउट यू पीपल एंड वेदर यू पीपल विल लाइक इट. सो आई थिंक if you are a crazy capsicum person, crazy fan of capsicum, you will enjoy it. थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. You will. It's mild. Basically, if you like your flavors mild, then you are going to like it. I can see the herbs here on each strand of the noodle. So, ऐसी है इसकी शक्ल. देखते टेस्ट कैसा है. I can taste only lemongrass here, but I love lemongrass. I love the aroma of lemongrass in general, or the lemongrass oil and all of that. तो उस हिसाब से मुझे तो काफी अच्छा लगा है लेमनग्रास वाला नूडल्स. स्पाइसी गार्लिक बोला ना, है गार्लिक की टेस्ट तो है. आई थिंक ये इंडियंस को काफी अच्छी लग सकती है. बहुत माइल्ड है. अगेंस्ट गार्लिक का टेस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बट इट्स नॉट वेरी स्पाइसी. आफ्टर रीडिंग द पैक यू माइट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी ऐसे धुआंधार स्पाइसी वगैरह, वैसे कुछ नहीं है. इट्स गुड. अ लॉट ऑफ गार्लिक. रानी यार कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा टेस्ट. जस्ट टेस्ट ऑफ लेमन ग्रास. हल्का ऐसे थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी. द आफ्टर टेस्ट ऑफ दिस इज स्लाइटली स्पाइसी, बट overall I don't think it's very different from the Singaporean. They're quite similar in taste. I am not a very big fan of this. I think I like the spicy garlic Hong Kong a little more than the Singaporean noodle, and I think I like the Singaporean noodles a little more than the sweet chili Bangkok flavor. Now I'm going and getting ready for the noodles that I'm most scared for, which is the oats noodles. बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि काफी घटिया टेस्ट है. So let's see कैसा है. Here we have the instant oats Maggi noodles. शक्ल तो काफी अच्छी है. I hope टेस्ट भी अच्छा हो. अच्छा, अच्छी बात ये है कि मैगी वाले थोड़े जनरस हो गए हैं. I can see shredded corn here, shredded carrot, and थोड़ा एकदम कम onions here. So let's taste. काफी अच्छा. I read the list of ingredients on the pack. It says 40% oat flour. तो अगर मैदे के बदले में 40% oats भी खा रही हूँ, I think this is quite tasty for that. It's quite good. मतलब अगर मुझे कोई पैक, if I go to somebody's place and they give me this bowl of noodles, I think I'll gulp them down and घर जाके I might just say कि हाँ ठीक है, वो आंटी ने थोड़ी हल्दी डाल दी थी. But other than that, I think they're quite tasty. So, in short, thumbs up. Now I'm going to go and get the kappa noodles. By the way, there's a sad news. So the Asian style spicy tomato noodles, I read the pack before making these and seems like they have expired. So I picked these up a long time ago, and I had the idea of making this video in my mind. So I never used these and they have expired. But that's okay, because we've got masala kappa and we've got the chili chow kappa noodles. So chili, ऐसे दिख रहा है कि ये बन चुका है. I think मैंने पानी थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डाल दिया है. काफी अच्छा. It's good. मसाले वगैरह अच्छे हैं. The taste is good. ये noodles tasteless है. So the moral of the story is, you not going to spend 45 rupees on these. If you want to buy a kappa noodles, you should go in for the masala kappa instead. काफी लेमन का फ्लेवर है. काफी अच्छा है यार. इसे तो मैं ऐसे ही खा सकती हूँ. आई थिंक ये अच्छा बनने वाला है. अच्छा, as per the instructions, we just have to add this in a bowl. Add 70 ml of hot water, stir it and keep it aside. इसकी शक्ल तो बिल्कुल घर पर बने हुए पोहे की तरह ही दिख रही है. It's not very watery, not very dry. I think it's the right kind of poha. The aroma is also very good. I did not expect this, okay? It's very good. Curry patta ka flavor, the flavor of zeera, the flavor of mustard seeds, lemon, I think it's all come together very well. Now acha poha. This is very good. I give a straight 5 on 5 for the Maggi poha. And thank you very much for watching this video. To just sum up my entire review, I think I would just say the desi cheesy flavor was my personal favorite. I really like the oats flavor also. I think अब वो सादा 2-minute Maggi noodle लेने से better है. I would just go for the masala oats flavor. I really like it. So the masala oats, the desi cheesy are my favorite. I really like the yummy capsicum also, but the taste is a little mild. But you definitely have to give it a shot. In the fusion flavors, I like the spicy garlic Hong Kong the most, and सबका star है ये Maggi poha. If you try Maggi poha after watching this video, please make sure to come back to the video, leave a comment down below and tell me how you found it. Make sure you like this video and hit that like button in order to never miss a video from my channel. Thank you very much. This is me Devyani signing off. I'll see you on Tuesday in another video.
So I'm here at this pretty looking cafe called
Look what I found in my 25 रुपए का मैगी वाला कांदा पोहा.
This is the set of
कौन सा हांगकांग?
spicy garlic.
Oh shit!
Oh.